National People's Youth Front Npyf na Sinduna National People's Party MANIPUR NPP gi maramda documentary ama launch Toubaga Loinana Youth Conclave ama Pangthokkhre Palace Compound leiba MSFDS da Lead the Chance Be the Voice Manipur Youth First haiba thim da pangthokpa thoram aduda MPP gi State President Yumnam Joy Kumar Singh National Working President James PK Sangma MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan MLA Thongam Santi Singh MLA Khuraizam Loken Singh MLA Irengbom Nalini Devi, MLA Zanghemlung Panmai, MLA Mayanglambam Rameshwar Singh, National President Npyf Nikki Conclave, National People's Women's Front, National President NPWF Anu Coming Saruyaki, Tharamaduda Chief Guest ki Waral Piraduna James PK Sangmana Fongdok Kibada, Asigum Laba Thoram Asi Yam Namaru Iba Thoram Amani, Malemgi Awanba Lakliba Kudingmak Youth Singna Tengnaba Ngamgani Amadi, Tengnaduna Miamgi Yaifanaba Sing Makoina, Honaduna Sakatba Purakani, Maram Aduna, Youth Singna Masagi Taudang Sing Kangna Chatuna Awanba Purakfam Toi Habawafam Tamki.
Today we live in an age of climate change and global warming. Major disruptor. We live in an age of quantum computing, which is again going to be a major disruptor. We live in an age where there is this exponential growth of unemployment, an exponential growth of global population, which is then going on to create problems like food security. This is the kind of age that we live in. For us, we are elderly people. I may look like a college student, but I am in the elderly category. And for us, our ray of hope lies in the youth of today. That's why I'm saying that this conclave is so important. In this age of disruption, it is you, the youth, which have to take up the mantle of leadership, to find solutions, to actually band together, to come together. We may have a lot of differences, but we must all come together. And that is the kind of responsibility that the youth of today will have to shoulder.